Did you know that Binance is giving 160 US dollars just for signing up and making your first trade? Now, wait a second. To those of you who always assume that anything like this is a scam, I want you to know this is not a scam. This is literally how the world's biggest crypto exchange grows its user base. They pay you to join, and they pay me for inviting you. Today, I'm showing you how exactly to get your account set up and have it verified, and then I'm going to show you how to earn on the platform, little by little, step by step. Here's the deal. Binance has over 180 million users worldwide, and they are still growing like crazy. The moment you happen to sign up with my link, you unlock exclusive new user rewards, trading fee discounts, and access to one of the most powerful crypto platforms on the planet. Stick around because I'm gonna actually do a full screen record so that you don't miss anything. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire account creation, from signing up to doing your KYC verification so that you're able to deposit, trade, and withdraw. And I'm going to show you some of the common mistakes that people make and end up being stuck so that you don't make the same mistakes as well. Now, before I show you the step-by-step procedure on how to create your account, have it verified, and then make the first deposit, let me talk about the importance of you using the link that I've left in the description section. Number one, when you sign up using the referral link in the description section as well as in the comment section, you unlock exclusive bonuses that you won't be able to get if you sign up directly. Talking of the welcome bonuses, these include $160 in welcome rewards, 20% trading discount on spot and futures trades, exclusive new user tasks with token reward. So if you want to follow along as I'm actually demonstrating how to set it up, you can actually click the link in the description section and get kickstarted on your end. Now, before you get kickstarted, here are a few things that you need to have in place, right? You have to have your national identity card. You can as well make use of your passport or your voter's card. Then you also have to have a valid email address. Then on top of that, you need to have a device that has a clear camera. Then lastly, you have to have a phone number for SMS verification. Now, let me stress out this. The KYC, which is Know Your Customer, is required by international financial regulations. You can't skip it, but it's quick, and once you do it, your account will be unlocked for deposits, trades, and withdrawals. Also, make sure that wherever you'll be doing the KYC from has proper illumination, that's good lighting, so that everything you'll be doing, everything you'll be taking shots of will be clear. I've seen so many people fail verifications because their faces were actually in shadows. Trust me, this is not something to cause you a headache. It's pretty easy as long as you have those things that I've mentioned of in play. Let's get started. So first things first, after you click the link, this is the dashboard that you're gonna land on. So what you do is you punch in your email address here. Alright, so after you do that, you hit register. A verification code will be sent to your email inbox. So head over there, collect it, and then get back here. After you punch in the PIN code, you'll be prompted to create a password, right? I'm gonna create the password and then I'm gonna hit continue when you're not looking, and then hit continue. So once you're done, this is what you're gonna say. Welcome aboard. So what you need to do is you click next. After that stage, you'll get to this stage. You don't need to be scared like, should I upload my ID? This is something that I used to dread at when I just started my crypto journey, but I've done this over and over and over. There came yellow card, and we could normally use yellow card to buy crypto, to sell crypto, and then we could also use it to buy coins on Popo Live, Taka Live, mention all those live streaming apps. Okay, so equally, Binance works the same way. If anything on Binance, there is a high security. So you need to upload this. Remember what I said, this is very important. If you don't pass KYC, you won't be able to deposit and withdraw crypto. There will be some limitations when it comes to doing certain things. So you just have to do this. It's like opening a bank account. You need to go with either your passport or your NRC. Okay, so what you do is you click ID here. If you have a passport, you can go buy a passport, and then you click continue. So here you can actually upload if you have those documents on your computer, especially if you're using a computer, you can upload them. If you're using a phone, you might be prompted to take shots of your NRC, and then here you will need to download the Binance app on your phone, then log in with the credentials that you just punched in. Use the same name, the password that you just created. Log into the account after you've downloaded the app on your phone, and then you navigate to the section where you need to scan this, right? After you scan it, your phone will definitely be verified. So this is one thing which is very important. And then when you go past this stage, you'll be prompted to do face verifications. They will scan your face, and you simply do what the avatar will actually be asking you to do. If it says blink, you blink. If it tells you to turn left, you turn left. If it tells you to nod, you nod, just like that, and you'll be good to go, right? So this is how you create a Binance account and have it verified, in readiness for trading, in readiness for making deposits and withdrawals. In the next videos, I'll actually be showing you how you can earn on Binance by simply depositing a certain amount of crypto, and then you activate the simple earn and other product features, right? Then I'll also be introducing you to crypto trading. Yeah, and I'm gonna dwell so much on that. Until next time, shalom, shalom.